Hello, I'm Gekko, and today I'm going to be cosplaying Froppy from My Hero Academia. I got my cosplay from AliExpress for like €25, I think, 20 or 25, and surprisingly for how cheap it was, it's a really nice cosplay. Like, the material is really thick, it's not that see-through or anything. I got a size medium because I'm 5'5", which I know isn't tall, but I find the smalls are always just slightly too short on me, so they're a little bit uncomfortable to wear, but the mediums are a little bit bigger, so they're like really comfortable to wear. And because it's a bodysuit cosplay, I always personally choose to wear a leotard underneath, because when you're wearing underwear with bodysuits, you can see the lines of like your underwear, obviously, and this just gives it like a seamless look and you can't see it. And for the wig, again, AliExpress, I think it was like €20. It comes with the bow to go on the back of the hair and then the base wig. It's a really nice wig, it's pretty good quality, it's not overly shiny, it's a nice colour. The only thing is it does tangle really easily, but that's just because it's such a long wig, but that's just unavoidable, unfortunately. And then I have the goggles. I got these for like $150 on Shein. I didn't get Froppy's actual headpiece because it was too expensive and I am broke, and also I didn't know how to make her actual headpiece, but I will make that at some stage once I'm a bit better at making props. I think that's everything I have for her, so I guess I'm just gonna start getting into cosplay now. So now that I look absolutely terrifying with no fringe and no eyebrows, the first thing I'm gonna do is colour my eyebrows in green, because Froppy has green eyebrows and I very clearly do not. I'm just using a Morphe palette with a dark green shade, and I'm just going to start filling my eyebrows in. There is no method to this, it is purely just putting green on my eyebrows, that is all. So I know they don't look very green at the minute, but that is okay because I will be attacking them with face paint later. So next I'm going to do my eyeliner, and for Froppy, because she's a frog, obviously she has very like wide rounded eyes, so what I do is I draw like a lower lash line on the first crease under my eye. So I bring it like 3/4 of the way into my eye here. I'm just getting thinner as the line goes. I don't know, there's a reason for it, I just cannot remember why. Next I'm just going to draw on some fake under eyelashes. I usually do 3, so the furthest one out is the biggest, and then medium, and then small, just because obviously I've drawn my lash line lower, so I can't really put mascara on my bottom eyelashes because it won't look right, so I just draw on fake ones. So I have now given myself some fake bottom eyelashes, and the next thing I'm going to do is get a normal white pencil liner, and I'm going to fill in the space between my actual lash line and then the fake lash line, just to give my eyes a wider effect. I messed it up slightly because I drew this one slightly higher than I should have, so there wasn't enough space to put the white, but it's fine. You probably won't notice once the full cosplay is on and everything. So the next thing I'm going to do on my actual lash line is take white liquid liner and just put that on my actual bottom lash line. So now I'm just going to leave the eyes for a minute once I've done that, and I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. So I got this face painting palette on Amazon for like €15-ish. It's a water-based palette and it's great. It's served me well so far anyways. All you have to do with it is just put some water on the face paint, mix it up, and then put it straight in your face. I'm just going to take the darkest green colour, take some water. I use like painting water dropper things, I don't know, and put some onto the face paint and just mix it up. So Froppy has like a fake mask type thing with the green line under her eyes and over the bridge of her nose, so that is just what I'm gonna do. So I just start from up here, just like tip of my ear, and just bring it down and then up and over. It's not the most even thing in the world, but it'll work. I don't really care. So now I'm gonna go back to my eyebrows and fill them with the exact same face paint I just used on my face. Just make them more green, I guess. So my eyebrows have been through a lot, but I'm about to put them through more. I'm just gonna use that same eyeshadow I used the first time, the dark green one, to kind of set the face paint in place and just make it a little bit darker. So my eyebrows are finally done, and the last thing I need to really do is eyelashes. So these kind of eyelashes I use for Froppy, they just have thicker parts in the middle and stuff. I don't know, I find they give my eyes a rounder effect. I don't know if that's just something I've forced myself to believe or if it actually is a thing, but it works. So that is the makeup done. I have my eyelashes on and everything, so I'm just gonna go and get into the actual cosplay now. So this is the final product. I've got my cosplay on, I've got my wig on. I don't have gloves for Froppy, but we're just gonna ignore that and pretend I do. Froppy's my favorite My Hero character, so it's always enjoyable cosplaying her, even if it is really hot outside and I am melting in this bodysuit, but the things we do for cosplay. I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be another one very soon on Toga if you're interested, so keep an eye out for that. If you enjoyed it, I would highly appreciate if you could leave a like and maybe subscribe if you want to. I don't know. So that's all. Bye!